What is the IBIT ETF? A 26% year-to-date gain is solid. Is it safe? Does IBIT follow the Bitcoin price movement perfectly? We'll answer all those questions and more for you in this video. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is your high-flying, electrifying, star-studded, warm-blooded, savvy stock squirrel. I'm coming to you live with another episode of The Nut House, where we talk about stock, investments, saving, retirement, and everything in between on this wealth-building journey. Come along for the ride and hold on to your nuts, my mischievous rodents with brass danglers. What is the IBIT ETF? What's up, Squirrel Squad? When it comes to investing, everyone wants growth. But what if you want some growth and some portfolio diversification? Bitcoin and crypto has always been a controversial subject to investors. Young investors say it's the future. Older investors say it's not a tangible asset, and that Bitcoin should not be included in portfolios due to its volatile nature. Well, Stock Squirrel is here to give his insight. Let's get our nuts ready, my squirrel friends. I present to you the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. This is a unique ETF that tracks the price movement of the Bitcoin index. An ETF is a phrase which is short for an exchange-traded fund. This means instead of owning Bitcoin outright, you can buy or sell this ETF on the regular stock market. It's just like buying and selling a regular stock. This makes it easy to own Bitcoin and very convenient for everyday investors. IBIT has an expense ratio of 0.25%, which isn't bad at all. The year-to-date gain on IBIT is also pretty impressive. Currently, it's at a positive 26% gain. That's an excellent return. I know many investors love their growth stock ETFs such as QQQ, SPY, VOO, MAGS, etc. To add a little portfolio diversification of Bitcoin might be attractive. Me personally, I wouldn't allocate more than 10% of Bitcoin into my own portfolio, but everyone's goals are different. Would I recommend the IBIT ETF? I think it's a fantastic and convenient way to integrate Bitcoin into your stock portfolios for some diversification. Now, it's time for the Stock Squirrel's final nut rating. How many nuts would I rate the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF? Let's hear the drum roll. Let's get ready to rumble. I give the iShares IBIT ETF 5 out of 5 nuts. I'll tell you what, if Bitcoin is your thing, this is a fantastic way to integrate it into your stock portfolio. You don't have to deal with Bitcoin wallets or any of that other BS to obtain Bitcoin. You can buy it or sell it freely on the stock market, like any other stock or ETF. iShares makes this process super fast and convenient. The expense ratio of 0.25% is also not bad at all. It's in line with all other major ETFs. The year-to-date gain of positive 26% is also nothing to sneeze at. That's some excellent growth. If you're interested in adding some Bitcoin or crypto diversification into your stock portfolio, iShares IBIT is a really fantastic choice. Well, that's it, my Squirrel Squad. Thank you for joining me for another episode of The Nut House. And remember, my squirrel friends, the secret to squirrel success: never stop gathering your nuts. The Stock Squirrel is signing off. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Lastly, what are your favorite ETFs? Are you invested in IBIT? Comment down below. Thank you for listening. It's been wonderful sipping coffee, hanging out, petting my dog, and talking stocks with my favorite squirrel subscribers. Please like and subscribe to me on YouTube. My family and I would greatly appreciate it. It puts us on the YouTube algorithm, so more families can learn about finance and investing. If you want to sign up for WeBull, which is hands down the best stockbroker in my opinion, you can do it through my YouTube links tab, inside the video description, or in the comments section. You'll also get 5 free stocks for doing so. If any of the information provided to you today was helpful, feel free to send this hardworking squirrel a donation. You can find my donation link in the video description and also in my YouTube links tab. Any donation, no matter how small, is greatly appreciated. It helps me to keep being you free stock and financial content. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter, X, and Instagram if you want to see a financially savvy fat squirrel in action. And believe me, you'll see some action. Also, please understand that I am not giving investment, financial, or legal advice. You, the listener, are responsible for your own actions. I am only here to provide education. Please don't be a dingbat and blow up your stock account. Thank you.